Yo, what's up, bros? I'm gonna do an experiment today. I've stumbled upon something that I find quite interesting on the Twitter website, and I'm going to try and see what it's all about. This is what I'm talking about. Um, Mysterious account called EGLD Heist released 24 words of the seed phrase, which should be the entire seed phrase, and apparently you can't get the funds that are in this wallet out of this wallet. And I will believe that when I see it. So let's jump right in. I went ahead and already pulled up the site here. It has the 24 uh, word seed phrase and displays everything that's in there. We're going to see what that's about. So the first thing we're going to do is try and if we can get into this wallet. Let's see. MultiversX is the chain wallet. Let's see what happens. All right. So we have the seed phrase. We're going to get started. Continue. Yeah. Security, don't give away a seed phrase. I'm not sure about that. I'm going to say I have a wallet. And I'm going to say restore. And see if this seed phrase is a seed phrase, first of all. So we're going to go ahead and punch these in. Pledge, pulse, smoke. I learned these by heart. Nuclear, parent, tuition, answer, library, weasel, tray, subject, stamp, table, cross, beef, race, metal, country, fetch, bark, liar. Okay, 24 words. If they haven't been lying to us, we should be able to log in here. I'll set a password. Okay, I don't know. Hacker 69. Hacker 69. Continue. Oh, wow. They make it really hard here. Hacker 69. Exclaim. Okay. Never save this, by the way. You want to store it in a safe place. Don't follow bad things. Okay, access wallet. Oh, I see. So we need the key store, which we were just dropped. JSON file, password, hacker69 exclam. We're in. 118 e gold. Very interesting. All right. We're in the wallet. The wallet has near enough 12K in it at today's prices. A bunch of tokens, a bunch of e-gold. Any okay. NFTs. Wow, look at these beauties. Interesting. Let's take a second to look at this wallet. Very interesting. Transactions. Now we're going. It seems that there's still at least inflow coming in. Is anything being sent? I don't see it. All right. So actually looking at this. Nothing. So we're in here. We're literally in this wallet. Let's try to send a transaction, I guess. I don't know who I should send this to. MultiversX Explorer. Let's find a random person that deserves this money. Transactions. Let's find someone. This person has a username and an address. So we're just going to copy the address here. Receiver. Put this in. Okay. Username is fine. And they're going to get 5K. Leave a little bit behind. Congrats. See? How to congratulate on something like this. Confirm? Okay. So now it's asking me to find an authenticator app to sign this guarded transaction, which seems to be the problem here, right? We don't know what the Guardian code is because clearly it's not our account. And I don't even know where to find it. What would you do here? MultiversX. How does it work? Guard accounts, cosigner. Okay, let's go back here for a second. It doesn't seem to be as easy as we had hoped. Security. Okay. Look at that. It's guarded, but there's an unconfirmed Guardian change scheduled. So change Guardian. Unguard account. Let's do this. What's going to happen here? Oh, it's going to ask us for the auth app again, which we don't have. Change Guardian. Okay. I cannot access my Guardian, shockingly. Oh. All right. So it seems that we can't even, somebody has already initiated this authenticator change and open. Interesting. So I have an authenticator app. I, of course, don't have the technical ability to actually show you what's happening on my phone screen now, but okay. It's giving me a code. 284 is changing. Okay. How do I do this now? Verify Guardian change. Okay. The code it's giving me is 284112. Enter the code from the QR you just scanned to verify this new Guardian registration. Code from the QR. Okay. Give me this. Okay. 284112. Second Guardian code. I don't even know what that's. I'm just gonna try the same thing again because I'm not getting it. Submit. Okay. Very cool. I haven't tried this yet before. It's really a live test, so I don't really know what's happening here. But it looks like I'll summarize for a second here. We're now in a 5-minute cooldown period. I don't even know why. Clearly we entered something wrong there. So we're in an account, a live account, with 12K, 11.7K in it. Where we can see everything. We can initiate transactions. I'll do that again in a second. And for some reason we can't, get them to land. I don't know. There's even, look, I don't know what these addresses are. Maybe people that tried before, but we can do this again. We can just use, I don't know, 10 EGLD, still $400, not bad. Send, continue, and now we're being blocked by this 2FA from sending it. Meaning we're literally in a live wallet that has money in it, Um, we have the seed phrase, we have the JSON file, and we still cannot do anything about it. So that's really what I wanted to see if it works. There's also this thing where now obviously we would try and change the Guardian. But there is a 20-day cooldown period, meaning that whoever has access to this account still with an authenticator code can just secure the funds before this countdown is over. So they still have almost 20 days to get the funds out and probably could even cancel the change, but clearly this is a compromised wallet at this point, already giving us a red flag here. And yeah, very cool. Again, just confirming that I can't do anything internally. For example, let's stake with someone. Let's see if, oh, Helios staking. That seems like an interesting agency to stake with. And we'll just stake 69 EGLD. Let's see if we can do anything internally. Not even that. So the Guardian prevents this and prevents effectively any transaction. We can try if we can send an NFT, but since that's also just a token, I assume the same thing will happen. Send NFT, confirm. And again, the Guardian is in the way. And last thing we can check is the token. Bober seems like a cool coin. I've never heard of this one. Max send Bober. Confirm. Guardian code is there. All right. This is pretty much everything I can try to do here, as far as I know. Could of course start randomly typing Guardian codes in here and see if we figure out this 6-digit combination just by chance. But as we just saw, there's even a cooldown period. So if we start doing that excessively, we're just going to have to get very lucky that we get this 6-digit code correct. Wait 5 minutes. Waiting 5 minutes between each try is definitely quite an ask. All right. It was a live experiment and pretty impressive. We have the code, we have the access. Well, we don't have the QR code, the 2FA authenticator code, but we do have the JSON file. We have the 24 words, and we can access the wallet, but we can't get anything out of the wallet. So interesting feature on the MultiversX wallet. Shout out to EGLD Heist. Shout out to Matt, shout out to Drew for putting this on. Very interesting. And yeah, this was an experiment. And this is the conclusion of the experiment. The conclusion being, can't get the funds out. Bummer. Next time.